I know my injuries are bad.
Instagram, a place where people do shit and people still value for that shit. It's one of the purest social media platforms I have right now because I don't use it at all for seeing reels and stuff like that. And so if I open the reel part of my Instagram account, I'll probably see one of the purest reels which is unaffected by my interest. A few months ago, I should say half a year ago, I had created my Instagram account and I took it very seriously to make sure that I provide YouTube like videos where I would post actual content where people could actually enjoy stuff. But I then saw the TikTok and the influence it had on Instagram, and I had to make sure that I had no talent in myself in order to actually become famous there. And therefore in this video I'm gonna take you to a roller coaster ride of people who actually were successful in Instagram with all of the talent they had, if they had any. I understand that I am a very new content creator, but even if I was doing content creation for the next 10 years, I still would not go ahead and then post this kind of stuff. Posting this level of Instagram reels requires a lot of courage, bravery, and balls, which we the normies of the world don't have. This guy has that. This guy has the courage and bravery to not only showcase the talent he has and we don't, and also go ahead and then post this on TikTok or Instagram or whatever, for bringing world and educating them on how courage and bravery actually matters to make a life of their own. We are in the age where if talent matters, then so does this guy. Ooh, how relatable is that? I could actually relate to every second of this Instagram reel or even TikTok reel. They post it on both places with this watermark. I don't know what this is. The level of acting he did from shaking his hands and the level of flexing he did from showcasing his iPhone. Oh my god! Wow! Was immenseful. And the level of dance talent he has. The level of dance he did in the beginning, not even Sid from Ice Age could do that in the multiverse we live in. The excitement he shows in this Instagram reel is not because of a random girl airdropping him, it's because his voice cracked and he just hit puberty. Yeah, this woman saw a man for the first time in her life. She was probably rejected by everybody else when she was young, the ones she actually tried, and the ones who actually accepted her were probably dead in the next day. And yeah, she is dealing with a lot of trauma, and yeah, this guy also was dead in the next day.
How do you quickly make a character look psychotic? It's easy. Just use the Kubrick stare. All it requires is 2 steps. First, tilt the head slightly downward. Second, stare forward through the eyebrows.
No, the real procedure to actually make anything look creepy and cringy is to change the gender of the character of whoever is talking. This is a century-old ninja technique to kill anybody who's viewing anything. It was used by many warriors of the world like Alexander Einstein and Genghis Newton. That's the complete reel, and she has gotten so many views that yeah, even I can't imagine that many views in my YouTube channel as of now. And considering the background posters she has in her Instagram/TikTok reels in her bedroom, I don't even know what she's trying to say right here and who is getting entertained or getting knowledge from any of these reels, because I mean, I'm entertaining you, hopefully. I don't think she is though. Yet she has more followers than I do in my lifetime. Like, share, subscribe, bell notification, and also please consider following me on Instagram because